Alright, so taking a quick break here, been working on the front end tonight. In the last video, everything was on the car so you couldn't really see. I kept all of this basically, so this bolt's on still, that'll bolt on, and then the fenders bolt to the headlights. So I cut everything off and I saved all this just so I can bolt it back together, so I can at least get a general idea of where everything goes once the tubes start going in here, and I can make mounts to everything to hold the headlights and the radiator and the fenders as well. So working on this tonight, so just making plates for each side of the towers to mount the tube to, and then I'll have a plate that goes on here and then one on here as well, so it'll be shaped like that, and then I can weld the tube from here up to the tower. My last car was like that as well. Just decided to go with that again opposed to anything else because I know how it's going to turn out and what I have to do to make everything else fit. So getting a little late here, but just want to do a quick update of how the car's going. Nothing's really changed other than that, so I'm going to get back to it. Should be dropping my motor off actually tomorrow to get machined, and then I'll have a video putting that in and building the motor up with all the gaskets, so stay tuned.